Hey guys, I'm back and today I have a great video. We are going to learn how to make some peanut butter cookies with chocolate chips in them. This is my kitchen. This is the cooking realm. These are the things that you will need. Some good old granulated sugar for them cookies. Some dark chocolate chips. I'm just using great value. Some all-purpose flour. Some crunchy or creamy peanut butter, 1 egg, some soft room temperature butter, and that good old salt. I have this bowl of room temperature butter, and this is what I'm going to be using to mix all my ingredients. You also want to do half a cup of peanut butter. Half a cup of peanut butter. Okay, I got my measuring cup right here. And you want to do 1 cup of white sugar. What if I waste all this sugar? We're gonna get diabetes today. Hey, that's like 1 cup basically. So you're gonna put that into this container like this. And get out all that sugar. Smack that sugar down. Look at it. Okay, so this is the peanut butter. This is what the mixture should look like. Now you just want to mix all the ingredients together so that it can look like, you know, just mix them. Okay, you guys, so I mixed, and this is what your mixture should look like after you did the peanut butter and all those things. It should look like this. Now we're gonna add an egg, so I'm just gonna crack the egg and put the egg in there. We're gonna give it a stir. You guys, I am measuring it out, making sure I get 1 1/4 of flour. I don't like how the flour goes everywhere, or maybe it's just I'm so unskilled when it comes to pouring flour. Boop, 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 boop. Is that 1 1/4, you guys? Is that 1 1/4? I can't really tell like you. And I'm just gonna wait. Okay, you guys, I'm just gonna take a little bit of salt in this teaspoon. You're supposed to do 1/4 of table salt, but I'm just gonna do just a little bit of salt, like just a little, like just like this much salt, like not even a lot. Just a little bit, you know, give it some pizzazz. Now we're just gonna prepare the pans. So these are what my pans look like. And we're just gonna put some baking sheets on them so that the cookies do not stick. We do not want the cookies to stick at all. Okay, you guys, now for the last step, we're going to be adding the chocolate chips to the mixture. I mean, a cup of chocolate chips in here. Just like a cup or half a cup into the mixture. This is where it gets really dirty because you have to take the mixture and actually roll it into balls. We're just gonna take a spoonful of the mixture, like just a spoonful, roll it up in our hands and put it on the parchment paper. Make sure you have clean hands, guys. So you wanna roll it around like this. And it's like a little perfect, cute little ball. To give the peanut butter cookies that iconic stripe in the middle, however you want to say that, the indentation, then you just want to take a fork and wet it and then pierce it into the peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. Okay guys, time to put the cookies in the oven. Make sure that your oven is set to 375. You're gonna bake the cookies for 10 minutes. So these are the cookies. We made about 26 cookies. So that is awesome. So we just wanna put the cookies in there. Ooh. I already hear them. Look at that. And then we'll put these at the very top shelf. So now you just want to put your cookies, cooking time for 10 minutes. And they should be done in 10 minutes. We'll check on them in 10 minutes. You guys, please subscribe to my channel because when I get 1,000 subscribers, I can actually upload live videos. So you guys I can actually communicate with you guys, actual like right then and there. Please subscribe to my channel because I do want to be able to post status updates on my YouTube, and I would love to live stream with you guys, me playing video games or any type of things that I love to do with me or my Stinky. So please guys, get us up to 1,000 subscribers so I will have the ability to do those things on my channel.
Also, Malina has set a like goal for 500 likes. If you slam that like button and get her to 500 likes as a like goal, she will do an Easter egg hunt, aka a troll Easter egg hunt.
Okay, I didn't know I was gonna do all that. Hey you guys, the cookies are ready. I see them, they look crispy at the bottom. I let them sit there for a little bit. Okay guys, and this is what your peanut butter cookies should look like. So these are my peanut butter cookies, you guys. Oh my gosh, they're so freaking beautiful. I love them. I'm gonna take a taste test. This is what a beautiful, delicious chocolate peanut butter cookie should look like. I'm gonna find one with the most chocolate chips on it. You want that one? Show them your cookie.
This is my cookie.
Okay guys, I'm gonna do a taste test. Oh, I want one with a lot of chocolate on it.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, the chocolate's melty. That's good.
On a scale of 1 to 10, it says 50. It's good. And I can give myself props when I have props to give. It has a nice it has an even amount of chocolate chips. Wow, that's good. It's not too sweet or too overpowering of peanut butter.
But it is too overpowering of melted chocolate. Melted chocolate makes my stomach digestive system hurt.
Eat this while it's hot if you like melted chocolate. If you like the McDonald's cookies at McDonald's, then you will like these because they taste like way better.
Alright, after I'm done with the melted chocolate, it is now not melty. Unmelted chocolate tastes pretty good too.
I gotta savor this. I'm gonna eat one more. This is kind of like a mukbang at the end because you guys actually do ASMR. The ones at the bottom have the least amount of chocolate chips in it. Look at all those chocolate chips in there.
And the ones at the top have the most.
Mm-hmm. It mostly tastes like a chocolate chip cookie, which is my favorite.
Third favorite.
With a hint of peanut butter.
Second favorite.
Mm-hmm. How would you rate it?
Just went from third favorite to second favorite.
How would you rate it?
Peanut butter is peanut butter.
How would you rate it?
Peanut butter. Wait a minute. Those cookies have protein. I mean, peanut butter have protein. Are you trying to make me eat healthy cookies?
Now I need some milk.
Someone here, GAWD, help my stomach. No, I've only had one. See, I might get another one, but I'm gonna get one all the way to the bottom.
You don't want the least peanut butter?
Mm-hmm.
Let me show you. Those peanut butter cookies are probably the best peanut butter cookies, the peanut butter chocolate cookies I ever made in my life. They're the best when you eat them hot, and they're pretty good, especially with some milk. So you guys, please give this recipe a try. You will love it, okay? Thanks for watching, you guys. Don't forget to comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for that live stream and for those updated posts. And don't forget to hit that like button.